Chapter 22 The reason due to which Ibrahim coveted the death after having disliked it. Abu Ja'far and Abu Abdullah have said, when Ibrahim had fulfilled his rituals, returned to Syria. So he died there. And the reason for his death was that the angel of death came to him for capturing his soul, and Ibrahim disliked the death. So the angel of death returned to his Lord mighty and majestic, so he said, Ibrahim dislikes the death. So he said, leave Ibrahim, for he loved that he should worship me. Hughes said, until, one day, he saw a very old man eating, and what he was eating kept coming out from him, could not eat properly. So he, Ibrahim, disliked the life and loved the death. So Ibrahim came to his house, and therein was a handsome-faced man, what he had ever seen at all. He said, who are you? He said, I am the angel of death. He said, glory be to Allah. Who is the one who would dislike being close to you, and visit you, and you are in this image? So he said, O friend of the Beneficent, whenever Allah blessed and high intends good with a servant, sends me to him in this image, and whenever he intends evil with a servant, sends to me him in other than this image. So he captured him, his soul, at Syria. And Ismail passed away after him, and he was a son of 300 years, and he is buried in the rock along with his mother. Abu Abdullah has said, Sarah said to Ibrahim, O Ibrahim, you have aged. If only you would supplicate to Allah mighty and majestic that he should grant you a son by whom our eyes would be delighted with, for Allah has taken you as a friend, and he would answer your supplication, if he so desires to. Hughes said, so Ibrahim asked his Lord that he should grant him a knowledgeable boy. So Allah mighty and majestic revealed unto him, I shall be granting you a knowledgeable boy. Then I shall test you for my obedience. Abu Abdullah said, so Ibrahim remained for 3 years, after the good news, then came the news from Allah mighty and majestic, and that Sarah had said to Ibrahim, you have aged and your term, end of life, has drawn nearer, if only you would supplicate to Allah mighty and majestic to forget regarding your term, and that he should extend for you with regards to the age, so that you would live with us and that our eyes may be delighted. So Ibrahim asked his Lord for that. So Allah mighty and majestic revealed unto him, ask for the increase in the age whatever you like, and you shall be granted it. The Imam said, so Ibrahim informed Sarah of that. So she said to him, ask Allah that he should not cause you to die until you become such that you would ask him for the death. So Ibrahim asked his Lord for that. So Allah mighty and majestic revealed unto him, that is for you. Hughes said, so Ibrahim informed Sarah with what Allah mighty and majestic had revealed unto him with regards to that. So Sarah said to Ibrahim, thank Allah, and prepare food, and invite the poor and the needy upon it. So Ibrahim did that and invited the people to it. So, among the ones who came was an old man, weak, blind, with him was an aide of his who seated him upon the meal. So the blind man extended his hand to take a morsel and his reach was around it, but his hand went on to the right and the left due to his weakness. Then he placed his hand upon his forehead, so his guide grabbed his hand and went with it to his mouth. Then the blind man took the morsel and struck his eye with it. Hughes said, and Ibrahim looked towards the blind and to what he was doing. So Ibrahim was astounded from that and asked his guide about that. So the guide said to him, this, what you see, is due to the weakness of old age. So Ibrahim said to himself, is it not that if I were to get older, I would become similar to that? It was then that Ibrahim asked Allah mighty and majestic, where he saw from the old man what he saw, so he said, O Allah, cause me to die in the term which you have ordained for me, for there is no need for me with regards to the increase in the age after that which I have seen. Chapter 22 The reason due to which Ibrahim coveted the